Hi, this is a new video to solve our problem CleanMyMac on the Monterey version 12.2.1. First of all, thank you to Claudio Figliarolo who has provided the solution in the comment section of my previous video. And let's get into it. So I open CleanMyMac and I click the scan button. Then there will be a forced close on the application and I get an error like this. I tried one more time and get the same error problem. How to solve it? First, go to security and privacy and go to contacts and check CleanMyMac. And now try to open CleanMyMac again. Click the scan button and it works. If this video helped you and you like it, don't forget to like, share and comment.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go